I am running my own campaign, but it's not giving me results. What I do? Where exactly I'm missing? What exactly should I check? You are good. ठीक है. So what you need to do is just go and give it a check on your pixels. Let's find out how many reach which you have got till now while you started the campaign of the sale one. How many impressions which you have generated. What is a link click? What is the CPM? Now, major points. What is the bounce rates which you are having on your campaign? That's extremely important. That's the front, but aside of it again. And now let's talk about the major points, which is your pixels. What is your add to cart value? I mean, how many of them did the add to cart? Maybe how much initiate payments which you have got, how many literal purchase which you have got, and how many views which you have got on your profile. Okay, that's the pixel which you really need to look upon. And at the end of the day, how many people have initiated checkout? Now let's talk about it as well. How many views which you have, sorry, how many reach which you have got, and how many like impressions which you have got. That does matter, because that's your ad metrics. That's your ad metrics. That's not your landing page, because ad is like a kind of thing by which you can attract someone, but attracting is not the kind of result which you are looking at the end of the day. You are looking sales, right? We are not talking about branding, we are talking about sales, right? So reach, impressions does matter, but on terms of what? On terms of your campaign, on terms of your branding, on terms of your how many people you have reached till now, and out of it, how many people literally went on your websites, which will gonna come along with your link clicks, how many clicks which you have got. After that, what is your bounce rate? How many people just touched it and get back to on their main menu, or maybe they can just get back on their whatever they were doing before. Now, again, the third point is, what is your CPM which you are getting? Well, that's a different case. Well, on the time of optimization, you're gonna give it a look on CPM and all. And now you will just have to look how many initiate checkouts, how many add to carts, and how many purchases which you have got, including your that one. How many views which you have got on your website or landing page as well. Okay, because वो करने से you're gonna find out where exactly you are lacking and where exactly you can make changes. So for an example, मैंने एक कैंपेन चला के उसमें 3 एड सेट डाले, 3 एड सेट में मैंने 10 एड्स लगा दिए, राइट? लेट्स सपोज 3 एड्स लगा दिए, हर एड सेट में 3 एड्स है, यानी कि 9 एड्स हो गए टोटल. I'm running my campaign. I've just got to know कि out of these 9, these 3 are working, and out of these 3, I am getting this much of link clicks. The bestest link clicks I have got this much. Okay, और मैंने उसको 3 दिन तक चलाया, तो पहला वाला मेरे ख्याल से बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है. नाउ जस्ट फाइंड आउट कि वो कौन सा ऑडियंस है. आपने वो ऑडियंस भी देख लिया, दैट्स द मेजर ऑडियंस व्हिच यू विल हैव टू गो आफ्टर व्हेन यू आर कमिंग, व्हेन अगेन यू आर गोइंग टू रन द कैंपेन. नाउ you'll have to see how many people have initiated checkouts, because that's very important. Because उस 3 दिन पहले आप 9 एड्स में पैसे खर्च कर रहे थे, राइट, थ्रू योर CBO एड स्ट्रैटेजी. नाउ अब आप क्या करोगे? 8 को बंद कर दोगे. लेट्स सपोज आपने 7 को बंद कर दिया, या फिर 3 जो अच्छे परफॉर्म कर रहे थे आपने सिर्फ उनको चालू रखा. ओके, एंड देन इन सबको आपने बंद कर दिया. अब इन सिर्फ तीनों को चलने दो 2 दिन और. उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे? इन तीनों में से सिर्फ एक कैंपेन आप चलाओगे विच यू थिंक कि हाँ ये ऊपर है, यही लिंक क्लिक ज़्यादा दे रहा है, एंड इट इज़ गिविंग यू मोर ऑफ द परचेजेस इफ इट given, like अगर किसी ने भी दिया अभी तक परचेज तो. ओके, दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट. एंड आफ्टर maybe 5 or 6 days throughout the process from initials, you'll have to off all the non-performing campaigns, including the performing campaigns as well, and have to only run the one campaign, the one ad actually which was performing better. एंड जो अभी पैसे आप खर्च कर रहे थे सिर्फ इसी में पैसे खर्च करो आप, एंड देन द 3 days यू मेक इट रन. फिर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे योर पिक्सल्स, जितने ऐड टू कार्ट, इनिशिएट चेकआउट्स, और जो यूजर्स आपके व्यू किया उन लोगों ने, और कितने परचेजेस आए, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे. सो दैट्स वॉट यू विल हैव टू डू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी. हो सके तो फॉलो कर लो, कनेक्ट कर लो, एंड मे बी आई कैन हेल्प यू आउट विथ मोर ऑफ द प्रोसेसेस. यू कैन ऑल्सो रीच आउट टू मी इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प और समथिंग. ओके, हैव अ ग्रेट डे, गुड नाइट, बाय.